Hey kitty kitties. Hey couture dolls, Hollywood gang, humans. Hello. Good morning. Subscribe now. Right now. So today I will be doing a unboxing and review on the Duvolle skincare system. And one thing about me, if you don't know, I am a makeup artist in Atlanta. So I'm always preaching like skincare. I'm always taking care of my skin, and I'm always like just preaching, you know, in order to have like a flawless application, you need to make sure that you're taking care of your skin. So with that being said, I think that this system will work really good with my skin. It works really good with your skin. I feel like it will ultimately help. I've also looked at some other reviews prior to me making this review, and they said that it helped with acne treatments and exfoliating and all that good stuff. So yeah, we are about to unbox this baddie and let's get this show on the road. Okay, so sent it to me, shipped it to me. Duvolle Radiance from Clearwater, Florida. So let's open it. Let's see what it looks like. Okay, hold on. Alright, it's a little sticky, but that's how you know it's secured. Okay, come on. Yep. We got it halfway there. All right. It comes in this cute little box. And of course my shipping label. Let's have a look. Super cute. Okay. It does come with 4 interchangeable accessories: a facial exfoliation brush, a large body cleansing brush, a facial cleansing brush, and a stone. So I did not wash my face, but I just got out the shower and I did take the crust out of my eyes, because I just kind of felt like if I'm doing a review on something on my face, then it would be pointless for me to not wash my face. So yeah, but I did take the crust out of my eye, so don't think I'm dirty. It comes with instructions, of course. Super cute. Chile. This is the body brush. Exfoliating brush. Cleansing brush. Exfoliating brush and cleansing brush looks the same, but this one, it's the cleansing brush is softer. So when you see it in person, you can definitely tell the difference. And this is the stone. You will need 4 AA batteries. I gotta see if I got any batteries. Your facial cleansing brushes, which I will be using today and probably any other time that I wear makeup, because I have a really bad habit of every time I wear makeup, I usually go out and I sleep in my makeup, because by the time I get home, I don't be wanting to, you know, take it off. Ladies, don't judge me because y'all been there. So I will probably be using the facial cleansing brush every time I use makeup. So let's get started. If I find some batteries. Found some batteries. Let's get started with the cleanser. So I use Dial soap, antibacterial Dial soap, to wash my face. So I'm going to just wet this a little bit, rub it in my soap, and then put it on my face that way. Ooh. Ooh. Oh my God, I like that. I like that. It's so soft, y'all. Ooh. My lips a little crusty. Okay, y'all, this thing is so soft. Oh yes. Oh my goodness, and my face feels so clean. and fresh. It feels like I think I'm saying it's like dermaplaning, a facial. Y'all, this feels so good. It feels like it's really going deep into my pores and cleaning it and leaving my skin like really refreshing. Yeah, I'm definitely gonna use this after I wear makeup. I think I just got soap in my eye, but it's okay. And I definitely recommend all of my clients, or even somebody who's really big in skincare or wants to improve their skin, to get hip to this too. Because a lot of times when we're wearing makeup, we are not getting deep into our pores. So I'm just gonna wet this to get all the soap out, and I'm gonna come back and get this burning eye down. I'm just gonna go in with a washcloth and get all of this soap off. But my face feels like it really good. And y'all know I don't lie. I'm the realest you'll ever meet. Period. Period, poo. I'm the boss of you. Okay, so I do not have any exfoliating gel, but if y'all are used to my channel and have seen my skincare reviews, y'all know that I always use rose water and aloe vera to moisturize my face. That's what I use after my face. That's my skincare routine. So because I don't have exfoliator, I am going to use the exfoliating brush and put a little aloe vera on my skin. I actually ran out of rose water. Use this bottle right here. I'm gonna start using the plant, y'all. Yeah, I'm just gonna, okay, let's not turn it on right now. Let's turn it on when it get on my face. And I'm just going to rub this in all over my face. And that's how I get my natural glow, okay? And I feel like with the exfoliating brush, it really digs deep into your pores, making sure it gets everything. Yeah, this is a go-to. Y'all make sure y'all shop, especially if you're really big on skincare, and like I said, if you wear makeup a lot, because you'd be wondering why your face be breaking out. And one thing could be because you're not deeply cleansing your pores. And use this promo code to get 70% off. I need to stop. I need to get away from that eye because I keep putting stuff in that eye. But yeah, this is like a yes for me. A yes for me. A yes for me. A yes for me. Yeah. So yeah, this is yes for me. I really like this. Glowing, and it's super easy to use, y'all.